Hello, myself Mansi Vadgule. My friends and I from Group 6A are going to present a video explaining gestational diabetes mellitus. So, gestational diabetes mellitus is the condition in which a hormone made by the placenta prevents the body from using insulin effectively. Glucose builds up in the blood instead of being absorbed by the cell. It is the most common condition in pregnant women. It is chronic as well. This condition occurs due to either insulin deficiency, that is relative or absolute, or due to peripheral tissue resistance, that is decreased sensitivity to the action of insulin.
Welcome to the beautiful world of the obstetrics. Gestational diabetes. It is the condition in which blood sugar level becomes high during the pregnancy and disappears after the birth. It can happen at any stage of the pregnancy, but more common in second trimester or third trimester.
Subgestational diabetes: first, increased thirst, increased urination, polydipsia, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, and increased frequent infection of vagina and bladder and skin, and blurred vision, and weight loss, and increased hepatitis.
Is my friend told symptom of gestational diabetes. This indication the high blood sugar level for gestational diabetes. These are only possible indication for define the sign of gestational diabetes, like feeling thirsty, frequent urination, feeling nausea, blurred vision. These are signs will alert you getting early diagnosis and treatment.
Let us see causes. Defect in insulin includes structure and function of insulin receptor, post-receptor signal transduction pathway, type A insulin resistance, lipoatrophic diabetes. Certain drugs and chemical agents with adverse effect on glucose tolerance includes thiazides, glucocorticoids, oral contraceptives, and others. Infection associated with beta cell destruction includes rubella, mumps, cytomegalovirus, and adenovirus. And genetic syndromes which predispose an individual to impaired glucose tolerance includes Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner syndrome.
With all the mentioned etiological factors, pregnancy can be associated with gestational diabetes mellitus, and the risk of diabetes increases with parity. Obesity is a powerful determinant of glucose intolerance in the general population and develops through the interaction of genetics and acquired factors such as physical inactivity and dietary habits.
Diagnosis done irrespective of fasting. Normal glucose level is 75 gram oral GIT. If a patient having a fasting, glucose is more than 92 mg per deciliter. After 1 hour, we checking a glucose level is more than 180 mg per deciliter. After second hour, we check our blood glucose level is more than 153 mg per deciliter. So my diagnosis is a gestational diabetes.
Gestational diabetes mellitus mainly diagnosed by two types. First one is a blood test. Second one is a glucose tolerance test. Glucose tolerance test we should done in the fasting. Mainly pregnant lady should be 8 hour fasting, and we should take 2 samples, 1 hour and after 2 hours.
Its risk factors may include obesity or overweight, family history of the diabetes, previously given birth to an infant with 9 pounds, women greater than 25 years of age. It also includes her race and her high blood pressure.
Let's know something about the overt diabetes. The overt diabetes is the abnormal glucose level in the preconception period. It increases the risk of abortion and congenital anomalies. So, for the screening, we give 75 gram of oral glucose for the glucose tolerance test. The fasting level should be more than 126 mg per dl. After 2 hours, it should be more than 200 mg per dl. The random plasma glucose more than 200 mg per dl with symptoms gives us the diagnosis of overt diabetes.
Treatment of gestational diabetes. So it includes the pharmacological therapy, which includes the drug metformin, which is an anti-hyperglycemic agent during pregnancy, and insulin therapy. And the non-pharmacological therapy includes the diet plan like a low calories and the low carbohydrates, and they are planned in such a manner to prevent hyperglycemia.
Gestational diabetes mellitus can lead to the very sugar level is higher than the normal. Increased risk for premature birth and for C-section. For baby, shoulder dystocia, macrosomia, which means excessive birth weight, low blood sugar, jaundice, yellow color of the skin, and difficulty in breathing.
The main prevention and prophylaxis include gestational diabetes or the vitamin D supplementation during pregnancy may help to prevent gestational diabetes during pregnancy. Moderate physical exercise is effective for prevention of gestational diabetes. Diet and physical activity intervention designed to prevent excessive gestational weight, reduce rates of gestational diabetes, and smoking cessation may decrease risk of gestational diabetes among a smoker. Lifestyle intervention including exercise, diet advice, behavior intervention, relaxation, self-monitoring glucose, blood glucose level in body are the main prevention prophylaxis regarding the gestational diabetes and overt diabetes during pregnancy.